All right, welcome to the final day of Unit 6, Lesson 2, Trigonometric Functions, a Unit Circle Approach, Day 3. So far, every angle that we've looked at has been on the unit circle, which is simply a circle with a radius of 1. What we're going to look at today is what if the circle we're on does not have a radius of 1, and how does that affect the trigonometric functions. So a few things that are going to help us with this. If we know the point xy, we can find the radius of our circle using the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus y squared is going to be equal to the radius of our circle squared. Once we know the radius of our circle, we simply take the y-coordinate, which is normally our value at sine, and divide by the radius. We take our x-coordinate, or our x value, which is normally our value for cosine, and divide by the radius. On the unit circle, that radius would have been 1. For tangent, we're still going to take y divided by x. Cosecant, we're going to take r divided by y. Secant, r divided by x. And cotangent, x divided by y. And let's see how that works. So we want to find the exact value of each of the 6 trigonometric functions of an angle theta if 4, -3 is a point on the terminal side of the angle in standard position. So from this we know x is 4, y is -3. To find r, we're going to use the fact that x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So 4 squared plus -3 squared is equal to r squared. 4 squared is 16. -3 squared is 9. So 25 is equal to r squared. And if we take the square root of both sides, r is equal to 5. We do not worry about taking both positive and negative values because this is the radius of a circle and it has to be positive. So the sine of our angle is y divided by r. So that's -3 over 5, which does not reduce, so that is our answer. Cosine of that angle is x divided by r, or 4 over 5. Tangent is y divided by x. or negative 3/4. Cosecant is r divided by y, or 5 over negative 3. Secant is is r divided by x, 5 over 4. And cotangent is x divided by y, negative 4 over 3. That is the only new information for today. Your assignment is the Unit 6, Lesson 3, Day 3 homework. So your homework is Unit 6, Lesson 3, Day 3. There is a copy, digital copy, in the Schoology assignments folder for Unit 6. I will ask that you submit this through Schoology on the electric assignment that is posted there. After this, you have a quiz review and a quiz to take to complete by Sunday. Good luck. If you have questions, feel free to email me, and we'll talk to you later.